Hey loves, what is up? It's your girl Kitty and I'm back at it again with another video. And today I'm gonna be doing my hair routine, I guess you could say. Like, I'm gonna be washing and straightening my hair. And I have tape-ins in right now. I actually had an appointment, but I had to cancel because I got a flat and she was booked up. I'm gonna book her again later. But for now, my hair is super like oily and stuff, and it's like time to wash it. So I usually don't do my own hair. I want to start getting into like being able to do my own hair also, like in between appointments. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So if you're interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. So like I said, I do have in tape-in extensions. I was gonna get another bundle to get put in because I have 2 bundles of 18-inch right now. I'll show you guys. I've had this in for maybe 4 weeks, so I'm gonna get them taken out soon, but I want to at least do one wash with them in. There it is, yeah. So that's like one of the tapes taped in, and there's one under it. So today the goal is to get this washed and straightened, and I'm probably gonna do some curls too before I do my makeup. So yeah. Other hair products I'm going to be using for styling are the Tresemme Heat Protectant. This is a pretty common heat protectant and most people love it, so I do have that one. I also picked up the Organics Silk Blowout Heat Protectant just because it says it's for silk and blowout, so that's what I'm trying to do today. And then I also got this Fantasia Frizz Buster Serum because one problem I did have before when I was trying to do my hair is my hair gets super frizzy. So I got that as well. And then for the actual styling, I have my Sugaboo flat iron. This is a flat iron from like Marshall's. I don't know if it's a super good one, but for me it's been working like on my extensions pretty well. So I got that one. I also got this hot air brush. This is basically a blow dryer brush, and this is like what I'm counting on literally for this hairstyling, because the part that would always get me when I'm trying to do my own hair is the blowout, because it's so hard for some reason, like trying to use a blow dryer and brushing it out. So hopefully this helps out a lot with that. And that's why I feel like I'll be able to do this successfully. And then I also have a Hot Tools curling iron because I do want to do curls today. This is a 1 1/4 inch. I get all my hair tools from Marshall's just because they have good prices. I don't get them full price, so yeah. And then last but not least, I also have some Velcro rollers. I just got these 2. This is going to be to help hold my curl because I tried doing pin curls and they would not hold in the hair. I'm not sure why, but hopefully using these and then doing my makeup, they'll hold. So yeah. I have French tip nails right now, so I'm gonna wear some gloves to protect my nails from my black hair dye. So here I am with the gloves on, and I'm just gonna start by rinsing my hair. Just a reminder that this is not a tutorial, it's just a like video of me doing my hair. I say it's not a tutorial because this is literally like the first time I've attempted a silk press. The last time I did it, I think I didn't even get past the blow drying stage. So yeah, this is just like a video, not a tutorial. So now I'm just rinsing my hair, getting ready to put shampoo in it. So I'm going to be taking a few squirts of this native shampoo, and after using it, I really liked it. It smells so good, and both products seem like they work amazingly. So I'm just shampooing my hair. I'm trying to really get in there in the roots just because my hair is super oily. I think my last appointment was maybe 3 to 4 weeks ago. So yeah, my hair is like super oily. And this is what it's looking like in the back. Just shampooing it up. Now I am just rinsing the shampoo out. Again, making sure I get it all the way out from my roots because I did concentrate a lot there with the shampoo. So this is what my hair looks like after the shampoo is all rinsed out. You can see my curls here at the top, and then at the ends are the tape-in extensions, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to take my Native conditioner now, and I'm going to get a generous amount of that and start applying that on my hair. So I heard that you're not supposed to apply the conditioner to your roots just because the tapes can fall out. And yeah, so I tried my best to not apply it to my roots and just apply it onto the ends of the hair, but I also wanted to make sure the ends of my hair got conditioned because my hair can be very dry. So I wanted to make sure I conditioned the outside ends of my own hair as well. So here I'm just rinsing it out, and literally while rinsing it out, this is when I realized something went wrong. So while I was rinsing my hair out, one of my tape-ins literally slid out. Like, it slid out completely, like super easily, and I was like shocked because I really didn't try to put any conditioner onto my tape-ins, like on the root. But hey, I mean, I was thinking about taking them out anyway, so I wasn't too mad. I was just like, well, I might as well go ahead and take the rest of these out because they were just like sliding out so easily. Like, what? So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take the rest of these out, and I'll be back. So I am back, and all of my tape-ins are gone. This was actually a pretty easy removal process. I was nervous about taking them out just because I didn't want to damage my hair, but this conditioner is not a good conditioner to use when you're shampooing your tape-ins. So do not use this conditioner or your tape-ins will fall out. Like, they slid out so easily, like with no hair attached to the tapes. So yeah, so like I said, this isn't a tutorial, we just going with the flow. But so this is all my natural hair now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and condition my whole head now, just in case I missed some pieces when the tapes were in. So I'm just gonna condition and detangle it. Back, and I have towel dried my hair. I'm here in my closet actually. This is where I have my vanity set up. So yeah, this is a DIY vanity I set up in my closet, by the way. I might do a video on that if you guys are interested. But yeah, I also have like a full-length mirror in there for when I'm trying on my outfits. So this is my natural hair, almost completely dried. I do have some heat damage, I'm aware. I really don't care just because I wear my natural hair straight majority of the time. I do not wear it curly anymore. I've been natural since I was like in the 8th grade, and I literally like did the whole natural hair movement thing, like wore an afro every single day. Like, yeah, so right now I'm tired of it, and it takes too much work in the mornings to get my hair ready. So now I just wear my hair straight, like I keep it straight if it's not in a protective style. I get silk presses about once a month, and my hair has looked like this for the past like 2 years. You know, it's grown out, but I've always had this damage, so it's not for my current stylist or anything. But yeah, I also have different like hair textures. In the back I have like more curly, and in the front it's more loose. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this frizz buster, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it in my hair. So it says grab a small amount, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. My hair is pretty thick, so I'm doing a little bit more than a pea-sized amount. I'm just gonna rub that around in my hands and apply it through my hair. Now I'm going to take my Tresemme heat protectant and just spray that generously around my hair. I'm going to be using 2 heat protectants just because I'm trying to protect it as much as I can. Like, heat damage is fine with me because my hair is more so heat trained, but I also don't want to damage it more than I have to, so I'm going to make sure I use my heat protectants. And this is the one from Organics, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Spray it through my hair and then just massage it in. Now I'm just vibing to some music I had on in the background. Now I'm going to section my hair into 4 different sections and tie them off, just so that I can work in smaller sections. Like I said, my hair is pretty thick, so it's usually hard for me to blow dry just because it's so much of it that I need to get. But yeah, I'm just gonna section it off into 4 sections. So now I'm going to take out one of those sections, which looks pretty big, and I'm going to go ahead and put my dryer on low and get started with blow drying it out. So this took me a while just because of the fact that, like I said, my hair is just so dense. Like, it's very dense and thick. But I just used the roller brush and went through each section and just rolled it. Not sure how many times you're supposed to do this, but like I said, I doubled up on the heat protectant just in case. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing that. It's starting to straighten out. It looks pretty nice. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing it. I'm rolling it like on top of the hair, and then I go back and roll it on the other side as well, like underneath the hair, and roll it down. And I just did that basically on this whole section of my hair. This roller brush, like I said, I did get from Marshall's. It was only about $20, and it definitely is like working. It is definitely way more helpful with blow drying your hair than like if I would have to use a brush and a regular blow dryer, because for some reason that never works for me. So this is easier, even though like I said, it's still a task, but this did make it easier. So my hair is pretty much all blow dried. It still is a little puffy like in my roots, so I decided to go back over it again with the blow dryer brush. So yeah, just going over in big sections this time, just trying to straighten it out even more, just to make the flat ironing easier. The straighter my hair gets with the blow dryer, the straighter it'll be with the flat iron. Get started on flat ironing. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair again, this time just leaving out one portion, and I sprayed some more heat protectant and brushed it through. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start with the roots. So I'm gonna go over the roots about 3 times, and then I'm going to use my comb and chase my flat iron with my comb. And I'm gonna do that to detangle the hair as I flat iron it, just so it won't have as much tension. After doing that, I'm gonna do it one more time. Again, this is not a tutorial, this is just how I did it. And like I said, I'm gonna do that one more time. It looks pretty good. My hair's uneven here because this is where my bangs were. I cut bangs again. Alright, so I'm back and this is what it looks like after flat ironing it. My AC is not working right now, so my roots keep like reverting back. So that's why it looks kind of big, because my roots are like still curly. The first time, like for this being my first time doing it, it looks pretty good. Like, looking pretty good. You can tell this side's like more frizzy, but yeah, I'm thinking about throwing some curls in here and then that'll be it. I might fix it, go back over it tomorrow, like where it's frizzy. Like if you come back, it's like not really flattering it, because like I said, I literally keep sweating. But yeah. Like I said, it is a little big because, I don't know, it's super like hot in here right now. So I'll definitely have to go to my stylist to get it like done for real, but I just wanted to attempt this since I couldn't get to my appointment. But yeah, this is the finished look. Back here it's so puffy. I'm actually like super proud of myself because I haven't even gotten to anything close to this before. So again, for the first try, this is my first try flat ironing my own hair. I think it came out pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna be posting some more videos. I still have to post my unboxing video and setting up of my new iPhone, and I have some other videos that I'm gonna get posted. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a like, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe if you haven't already. Come join the kitty fam. Join my cat cafe. Thank you guys for watching.